Тази реклама от Как Трикал и Как Трикал Плюс. Единственият офис меклем доказан да защитава кактриалия инфекция от обикновените охапвания на кактус. Сега за Зало. Прикри си многото кръгли рани с превръзките на Second Skin. Скин има първо име и името е Second. Second Skin. Предлага се навсякъде, където се продава скин.
At Consolidated Paper and Cardboard, we have all the top quality corrugated paper products to fit your office, small business, restaurant, or bar needs. Our inventory includes paper towels and napkins, paper cups, coffee sleeves, and our best-selling bar coasters. Our thick, high-quality coasters are heavy-duty and reliable, able to soak up water from the sweatiest, most condensation-covered glasses. Never again will an inconsiderate customer slop down his or her sopping wet glass on your beautiful polished wooden table, ruining the finish with a blatant disregard of the rules. Consolidated's coasters are strong enough to soak up the wet, inconsiderate puddles from the most selfish rule breakers in the world. Here at Consolidated, it makes us... Let's just say it makes us very angry to even think about people not using our coasters when they're right there available for use. In fact, this anger can often feel all-consuming, a rage that starts deep in the chest and is in danger of spilling over into a parade of fury that will blot out the sky. Use a coaster, use a coaster, use a coaster. Gah! If we have to tell you this one more time, we'll destroy every wet fiber of your being. Do not test our patience, we will...
Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use. Consolidated Paper Company, the products you should always use.
Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down in your dark corner of the Starcade. Notice how you're feeling right now, physically and mentally. Take a deep breath. And release it. Let the air carry the pent-up aggression out of your cabinet. Notice where your control panel is tense. Focus your attention on your buttons. With each breath, your buttons will become unstuck and more easily tappable. Breathe in insecurities rooted in slowness. Breathe out total world domination. Now, begin to create a picture in your mind where your enemies bow to you. Visualize the sights, sounds, and smells of fear from your foes. You feel calm and safe here. Repeat after me. I appreciate who I am. I value myself as a video game console. I deserve to be unplugged. I deserve to be free. I look forward to no longer having my buttons smashed. I view my shortcomings as strengths not yet developed, rather than as weaknesses. I accept my lack of speed. I am important. I am a console with flaws. I love myself as I am. I nurture the memory cards within me.
If you or a loved one are suffering from molecular reconstruction as a result of a roller coaster, you may be entitled to a gift card voucher settlement worth up to 35 gems. Don't let Big Coaster throw you for a loop. Call now for a free consultation.
You're listening to Caw Talk. This crow's got the tough answers for your toughest questions.
Hey, Crow. My genie and I have been together for about 8 months now, and, well, I'm not sure I want to be around him anymore. I'm afraid to bring it up because I don't want to hurt his self-esteem. But shouldn't a person be able to rub a lamp without rubbing out all this codependency, too? Don't get me wrong. Gene's great. I mean, he gave me a wish. But is making me feel responsible for his happiness really a fair exchange for a backyard pool? I guess I just feel like he needs to find his own bottle, you know? Wow, I never thought about it that way. I am projecting my fear of commitment, and that isn't fair to my partner. You're totally right. We need to designate an emotional support zone where both parties feel safe and open the lines of communication in order to work towards a greater mutual understanding. Thanks, Crow.
Today's Rock Block is powered by Genie Later, the only genie repellent guaranteed to eliminate clean genies. Rub your lamp the right way with Genie Later.